Hey friends, welcome back to TechUnboxPro. Today, we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy A56 Pro 5G, a powerful mid-range smartphone for 2026. If you're looking for a phone that balances design, performance, and camera quality, this is the video you don't want to miss. Let's start with the unboxing. The first thing you'll notice is the phone's premium design. It has a sleek glass back with flat edges, giving it a flagship look and feel. The matte finish and polished corners make it feel high-end, and as soon as you pick it up, you can tell it's solid and well-built. Inside the box, you'll find a USB-C cable and basic accessories, with the phone itself looking brand new and untouched. Now let's talk about the display. The Galaxy A56 Pro 5G comes with a Super AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant, and scrolling or gaming feels ultra-smooth. Watching videos is a treat, and even in bright sunlight, the screen remains sharp and clear. Moving on to performance, this phone packs the latest 5G processor, which handles multitasking, heavy apps, and high-end games effortlessly. PUBG, Call of Duty, or other demanding games run on high settings smoothly, with no noticeable lag. Thermal management is impressive too, keeping the phone cool during long sessions. When it comes to cameras, the A56 Pro 5G features a 108 megapixels primary sensor in a triple camera setup. Daytime photos are sharp and detailed, while night mode produces surprisingly good results. The front camera delivers excellent selfies and supports 4K video recording, perfect for content creators and social media. Battery life is another strong point. The 5000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day, even for heavy users, and fast charging support means you can quickly top up when needed. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A56 Pro 5G is an all-rounder. It offers balanced design, performance, camera quality, and battery life. If you're looking for the best Samsung 5G phone in 2026, this is a strong option to consider. So friends, if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to TechUnboxPro and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest tech videos. This was the complete hands-on review of the Samsung Galaxy A56 Pro 5G, just for you, here on TechUnboxPro.